Perfect. All right, this is going to be, we're going to use blue on this one.
All right.
And this one's going to be to Sheila. I'll put this right here. So
My very first girlfriend's name was Sheila.
Oh, yeah?
Sheila Becker. Oh, my
Sheila
God, I had
Becker.
the biggest crush on Sheila.
And then we've got Mark Bird. You're coming up after Keith Bain.
Here we go. Ooh, all right.
Thank you.
Get some of this out of my way. It's finally here. Woo, 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 woo. Finally here. Grab my scissors here. But yeah, there's the box. Oh, see celebrity marketing. Can't wait to see it. Should we cut at the front of that? Okay, we're gonna cut through the front. We're gonna cut through the front. Sorry, I had to put the thing down while I cut it here. Put it in the middle. Okay. There's the box open. Oh, yes. There's windows at the bottom here. And there's that. I open it up. It's like it's in a hard case, too. Yeah, it is in the case. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. Thank you, Rob. Oh my God. It came out so good. Oh my God. Look. I said light blue, but the regular blue pen looks good too. I like it. Let's see here. Okay, let's wrap. Let's get it out of the wrap, shall we? Yeah, they really wrapped it up good. I like how it's protected. It has this little thing right here to put. But yeah. Oh my God. That looks so great. I gotta get all the instructions off of this, but yeah. So they can get all of the things off of it. But it is so cute. I love it. Thanks, Rob.